Is Gemini instant withdrawal? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Gemini, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, is Gemini instant withdrawal? Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about why this is an important question. Gemini is a relatively new exchange, and it's important to understand how it works before you decide to use it. What is Gemini? Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2015 by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. It is one of the largest and most reputable exchanges in the world. Gemini offers a variety of features, including a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. A secure and user-friendly platform. Low fees. 24/7 customer support. Is Gemini instant withdrawal? The answer to this question is yes and no. Gemini does offer instant withdrawals for some cryptocurrencies, but not for all. For cryptocurrencies that are supported by Gemini Instant, withdrawals are processed immediately. This means that you can receive your funds within minutes of requesting a withdrawal. For cryptocurrencies that are not supported by Gemini Instant, withdrawals are processed within 1 to 2 business days. This means that it may take a few days for you to receive your funds. What are the benefits of using Gemini Instant? There are a number of benefits to using Gemini Instant. It is fast and convenient. It is secure. It is free. What are the drawbacks of using Gemini Instant? There are also a few drawbacks to using Gemini Instant. It is not available for all cryptocurrencies. You must have a verified Gemini account in order to use it. There is a limit to the amount of money that you can withdraw using Gemini Instant. How to use Gemini Instant? If you want to use Gemini Instant, you will need to create a Gemini account, verify your identity, deposit funds into your account, select the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw, enter the amount that you want to withdraw, click on the withdrawal button. Once you have submitted your withdrawal request, it will be processed immediately. You will receive a notification email from Gemini when your funds have been transferred to your wallet. Gemini is a great exchange for both experienced and new cryptocurrency traders. It offers a wide range of features, including instant withdrawals for some cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for a secure and reliable exchange with fast withdrawals, then Gemini is a good option for you. Before you make a withdrawal, be sure to check the current exchange rate for the cryptocurrency that you are withdrawing. Gemini charges a fee for withdrawals. The fee amount varies depending on the cryptocurrency that you are withdrawing. You can find more information about Gemini Instant on the Gemini website. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and keep trading. I hope this script is helpful.